Happy holiday, guys. Happy the holidays when it come. You know, it's the Christmas season is coming around and it's the new year coming. So, you know, we have to make some sorrel and BLFTv. So, guys, I went ahead and make you some sorrel. I did the preparation yesterday, so I'm going to show you the next step now. But before I do, let me show you what we did yesterday. As you know, the holiday is approaching, and when it come on to Christmas and Thanksgiving, we talk about drinking some nice Jamaican sorrel. So guys, I'm gonna make you some Jamaican sorrel, right? Right there, I have 2 pounds of dry sorrel right there. My water boiling over on the other stove in that pot right there. And these are the ingredients I'm gonna put in my sorrel today, which is some pimento, cinnamon stick, and ginger. You could just use the ginger if you don't have any of the other ingredients, because the main ingredients for your sorrel is ginger. So you have to ensure you have ginger when you're making your sorrel. And how I do my sorrel, guys, I boil the water and then I throw it on the sorrel and cover it up with along with the other ingredients and let it sit for at least 12 hours or more. So when I'm gonna do this now, it's gonna stay until tomorrow to be exact. Then I'll proceed from there. Alright, so I'm gonna show you now how I'm gonna do my sorrel drinks. Oh. Okay guys, now that you see what I did yesterday, now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do today. Alright? So you see, look guys, I want to show you. Look at the richness in this sorrel drinks right here. You see that, guys? You want to smell the aroma come from these drinks. Trust me. Smells so good. One of my favorite drinks. Look at that. The richness. Check it out. The richness. Yeah. You want to make your sorrel juice and make it rich. You know what I mean? You don't want it to have no long water and you spoil the taste in the drinks when you overpower it with too much water. You understand? Alright, so next step, just like that, guys. Yeah. Okay guys, so now we're gonna sweeten our sorrel drinks, okay? And you sweeten it to your liking, alright? So I am using 1 cup of sugar right here. I don't want it to too sweet. I just want it to be refreshing and nice. Alright. I'm gonna add some white rum, not much, just a little bit. This helps preserve it as well. You don't have to, that's optional. Okay. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Cheers. Nice, refreshing sorrel drinks, guys. Trust me. Nice. So you just put this in your fridge, let it chill, and drink it anytime you feel like it. You could just put it down, long as you have in the rum in it, you know, you're good to go. You have several years, you know. Then you want more sugar. Then you want more sugar.
BossLady Fayna, who that knocking at the window? Hey, two pot of knocks on your bingo. You know the style, BossLady Fayna.